Okay, back in the laundry, here we go. We tried this and the clothes came out stinky still. You've already heard the video because I'm thinking this Taylor, so I'm not going to repeat it. Then I put it in a doTERRA pod, so I ran it again after it was still stinky. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to check it out. Grand reveal, right? Laundry. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so heavenly. Oh. Okay, let's see. It's like fresh and clean and amazing, and there's no funky musty smell. It's got stuck in my washer for 3 days nasty smell. I ran it and it still stunk smell. It's like fresh and awesome. So if you're thinking like laundry stuff, this is my newfound favorite. It works on everything. It works oh so amazingly fabulous, and I highly recommend it to absolutely everyone. It's like, I think it was $20 wholesale, and then you can get it below wholesale if you talk to me. I can help you get it below wholesale. 45 laundry pods. This will do my family of 7 for at least a month, because I usually only do like 1 load a day, or not even that, or I'll do like no loads for 3 days and then I'll do 3 at once. So this will last me over a month for 20 bucks for my whole family of 7, and to not have to double, triple wash stuff and worry about things coming out halfway stinky and all the different issues that happen with laundry. It's literally been my entire life searching for the perfect laundry something, and doTERRA came out with it. So thank you, doTERRA.